Okay, this is 10.3, so you should be on 473 is our page, 473. All right, we are still using the number line, but you'll see today it says using a number line to subtract 3-digit numbers. Yesterday, what did we do? Tens and hundreds, right? So 3-digit numbers is what we are subtracting. So look at our first one. It says, use each difference. Wait a second, stop, raise your hand. What does that difference mean? Is it like in art class when I see a difference? Like Ileana used blue crayon and Layla used a green crayon, that's the difference? What does difference mean in math class? Nico?
Like the answer of subtraction.
Oh, I love it. He said the answer of subtraction. So use each difference as the starting number in the next equation. So whatever we get here is going to be the starting number for which equation? Right here. And whatever answer we get for right here, it's going to be our starting number for which equation? The next one. Okay? All right, so let's work through this. 425. Subtract 200. Start over here. So write 425. Okay, subtract, just one jump. 200. Okay, what do you get when you subtract 200 from 425? Miss Emma, what do you get?
220.
You're right, 225. Okay? Are we done with this equation?
No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Did we take 425? Did we subtract 200?
Yes.
Okay, so that's our answer. Okay, we're finished, right? Now, this answer is going to go where? Right there. So now we have our starting number, 225 minus what? 20. Okay, so start off at now 225 and subtract 20. Raise your hand and tell me, what is 225 subtract 20, Maddie? Good. She took that 20 right there, that 20, and said bye-bye. And it's a 0 now, so 205. Okay, so that is our answer. 225 subtract 20 equals 205. Right? Now this answer, that difference, right, Nico? It's going to start our next equation, 205. 205 minus 2 equals what? Well, let's draw it. 205. Boop. Subtract just 2. Addison, what is that going to be? I'm going to take that 2 away from the 5. Yeah, 203. Okay, that's our answer. 205 subtract 2 equals 203. Now, here's what I really like about this. Tell me what I subtracted. 200. What did I subtract? 20. What did I subtract?
2.
I love this. Watch this. How does this help you find 425? That's what we started with. Subtract 222. Cool. Did we take 425 and did we just do the same thing? 222 2. How does this help you find 425 subtract 222? Well, did we just do it? Yeah, we just did that. So that's what I like about this, okay? You can do it in one number line, how we kind of did it yesterday, or you can break it apart into 3 different number lines. All right, let's just go ahead. We talked about that. Let's go to the next page. Just try some. Number 1, 674. Subtract 236. So first things first, we put our big number over here. They did it for us. Thanks. 674. Let's just take the biggest number first. Subtract our 200. So subtract 200, and we're going to get, oops, 400, sorry, 74. That's a 4. Okay, now let's subtract our next biggest number here. What's that? 3. 30. Subtract our 30. So now look at my 10s, my 3 and my 7. Take 3 away from 7.
6. 4.
If I have 7, take 3 away. 4. So now that's going to be 40. So 440 there.
What? What?
Wait,
44.
why am I messing up?
Yeah.
Keeping you on your toes. Sorry. Yeah, I know. Sorry. Subtract your 6. Okay, now this was a little bit tricky because you have to take 44 now and go subtract it. Does anybody know? Jax? Oh, well, it looks like it. Mr. J?
438.
Yeah, 438. Now, if you don't like that 6, what's another way you could do it? Just go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can count them each. Right? Okay, so that's our answer, 438. Okay, let's do one more together. 438, subtract 162. So write in 438, 162. Right? I'm just gonna subtract my big one first. So subtract 100. What's 100 less than 438?
338.
338. I'm going to subtract my 60. I'm going to subtract 30 of that first. I'm going to subtract 30 because that's a little easier for me. 338, take away 30. Yeah, that 30 goes away. 308. Now, I still haven't done my 60, so I'm going to subtract another 30. Okay, 308, subtract 30. So I know I'd have the next 100, which is 200, right? 298, 288, 278. So 278 is 30 back. So I did my 100, my 60. I still need to do 2. Minus 2. So what's 2? Take away the 8 from, take your 2 or your 8 and take 2 away from it. 6, yep. So 2, 7, 6. Okay, and that is our answer. 276. Now, again, if I were you, I don't have a hundreds chart up here, do I? I don't. But if I were you, I would look at, let's see if I was going to Gianna's. You see her hundreds chart?
No. Yeah, that's here.
I would just look at the hundreds chart because we started at, what was it, 100, what was it,
Yeah.
270, no, 308. So let's say I was at 8. That's kind of hard.
Kind of looks
Then like this is 8 there, like 108. Go back 10, 20, 30.
That's
how I got that. So I just would look at your hundreds chart or remember your hundreds chart.
Like when they move around.
Okay?
Like the camera.
All right, go ahead and do number 3. 534 subtract 311.